Hi, this is Parambur Kumar of 2creativeblog.com. In this video, I am going to show you how to increase your Facebook followers immediately. Facebook SEO 7 actionable tips to increase Facebook profile group page followers. If you ask me what are all the areas I want to improve to get Facebook followers quickly, I suggest you one thing. Yes, you are absolutely right. It is improving the first sentence of your post update. You probably know they are important, but just to make sure you really appreciate the impact status update have on the volume and quality of traffic you bring to your blog. Consider this: 8 out of 10 people will read the first sentence of your status update, but only 2 out of 10 will read the rest. That sounds pretty grim, doesn't it? Keep things positive. The first sentence of your Facebook status update always is an important one, not only in getting likes and shares, but also importantly in getting followers. So take care while you posting update on Facebook. Positive quotes, positive thoughts, positive ideas, thinkable ideas, actionable ideas, so that it will engage your audience to give like to your post and they also share with their friends. Finally, they have also leave comments for your post updates. So keep it simple, but make sure it works. Provide right information. The most appealing updates are ones that offer something, but don't disclose everything. Make fans want to click the link to learn more about your information, product and services. Provide a website link. If you are going to provide a link, make sure use Google URL shortener, not only to shorten your URL but also to track the amount of clicks on the particular link. It is easy to get the right statistics without spending anything. I always used to do this in all my Facebook link sharing update. You can easily track how many people are clicking that link and come to your website or any other website you are sharing. This statistics is very important for your business success. Include images. Posts with images get the highest amount of engagement on Facebook. So try to include at least one image per post. Image size 800 into 600 pixels. Make sure your images are in HD quality. Mobile friendly. Make your post short and simple and images also at high quality, so that it is easy for your followers and friends to read your content and also view your images. Because most of your friends and followers view your profile pages, groups and fan pages via mobile. So remember this always. Make sure your profile page, groups and fan pages are mobile friendly one. Engage with your audience. Simply posting update and images will not give you followers. In the same way, posts don't just grab attention. Comments and responses do. Engage with people and build a relationship with them through conversational dialogues. Be available. Add business hours to your fan page so that it is easy for people to plan a visit. Another important thing, always replies to your inbox messages instantly. Don't take too much time to reply. If their messages not getting any instant replies from you, then they stop following you. In business, getting followers is most important one, because these followers only going to buy your products and services in future. Hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Leave your valuable feedback in the comment section of this video. Visit my website tocreateablog.com and paramboorkumar.com. See you in another video tutorial. This is Paramboor Kumar signing off. Bye.